Introducing the Hyundai next generation crawler excavators, where innovation meets performance. Designed to go above and beyond, these machines redefine what it means to be efficient, comfortable and safe on the job site. Efficiency is at the heart of the next generation. With a cutting-edge full electro-hydraulic system, these machines deliver up to 10% fuel saving and 25% more productivity. The new Stage 5 Hyundai engine consumes less fuel and AdBlue, while the EPOS system ensures no hydraulic loss, just pure optimized power. Smart technologies like 2D machine control, an automatic weighing function and e-boundary settings make every task more precise and productive. Whether you're digging, lifting or grading, the next-gen machines work smarter, so you don't have to work harder. Step inside the cab and experience next-generation comfort, from the premium heated and cooled seat to the dual 12.8-inch high-resolution monitor. Every detail is designed for the operator. The electric joystick steering and one-pedal travel system make operation intuitive and fatigue-free. And with the digital key, you can unlock and start your machine straight from your smartphone. Convenience and control, right at your fingertips. When it comes to safety, Hyundai sets the standard. The Smart Around View monitor uses 6 AI-powered cameras to detect people and obstacles in real time. With the automatic detection system, the machine doesn't just react, it protects. The moment a person enters a danger zone, it slows or stops instantly to ensure everyone on site stays protected. Maintenance is faster and easier than ever. With high-mate remote monitoring and equipment health management, you'll always know your machine status, reducing downtime and maximizing uptime. The standard reversible fan keeps your cooling system clean for peak performance. Engineered for the future, built for today, the Hyundai next generation excavator. For more information on the next generation range, visit the Hyundai website or contact your local Hyundai dealer.